Hi everybody, how are you doing? Today we are going to be making the Bootlace bracelet. So we're using a buckle and a jig today. All I've done is got 6 feet of each cord, grey and green. I've put it on the jig, done a simple cow hitch at the bottom, and brought the cords up through the buckle like that. And now to start off with, all we're going to do is a simple cobra weave. So the grey cord goes over the top of the centre cords like that. The green cord goes over the top of the grey one, behind everything, and out the other side, and then just pull it together. Right, so here's the actual weave. Start with your left hand cord. It goes over the top of the 2 centre cords like that. The grey cord, which is a highlight cord, goes over the top like that, over the S, back it underneath the 2 centre cords like that, and pull it out the bottom loop like that, and then cinch it up. Now I'm doing it with a jig because I found it easier. It would be a whole lot easier to show you how to do it on a jig than just doing it in my hands, because my hands would get in the way, you wouldn't be able to see what I'm doing. So let's do it again. Green cord over the top, make an S. Grey cord over the top, underneath, and out this bottom loop. And then just cinch it up. Now it is so much easier on a jig. But try and keep everything nice and consistent. Like that. One more. This is the speed I normally do it at, he says. Cinch it up. And you keep doing that till you get to the bottom. Once again, a big thank you to all you 3,730 subscribers. If you haven't already, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell there, because when you do, you won't miss a video. Also, if you want your name to appear along here and I can fit it in, all you need to do is leave the best comment on this video. Right, there you go. I've done the pattern all the way down to the bottom, and now all I'm going to do is snip and singe at the end. Right, there you go. That is your Bootlace bracelet. It came out quite well. It's very narrow, and you only need about 4.5 to 5 feet of each cord to make this. So yeah, I used about 6 feet and I had a lot left over. Now here it is compared to a normal cobra weave, and you can see how thin it is. And also, another time when I make this, I won't use a buckle. I will do either ball and loop or Mad Max to keep it nice and thin, because look, the buckle is the widest thing on the whole bracelet. So yeah, there you go. Now YouTube would like you to watch this video over there. If you haven't already, give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and ring that bell, and then you won't miss a thing. Keep yourself safe everybody. wash your hands, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.